let's try another more simple example. So here is multiple choice in the bedroom. So this is for English, but you could do this in any language. If you already have this created, you could easily do it here. Something like this, a graphic like this, could easily be created in Canva. If you don't know about Canva, you can see the Canva tutorial I uploaded. It's very simple. So you want the students to circle what they think the correct answer is. Let's say you want to comment, why do you think this is a drawer? And then maybe the student can respond, I think this is a drawer because... So one of the main things you'll need to know about Kami is how to save after you've completed a document. So if you go up here to the top right hand corner, this is where you can open a file. It allows you to easily upload files from your computer, shared files, Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox. It also has your recent files that you've uploaded to Kami available as well. See, now we've pulled this up. You can share the document. You can copy the link right here. You can also restrict it. This is anyone with the link, and you can say if they're a viewer, or you can create an individual copy. You can also say if they are allowed to download it or not. It syncs to the cloud automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing your progress, but you can save it to Google Drive if you want, or you can download it. You can also download it here. This allows you to download to your computer, Google Drive, or OneDrive, and you can select with no annotations, with all annotations, or just annotations.